What if someone told you that only a few people know the secret truth about God? Dear friends, that's exactly the idea that Saint Irenaeus fought against. In the early church, there was a group called the Gnostics who claimed that they had secret spiritual knowledge. They said salvation wasn't for everyone, it was only for those with hidden insight. Now, many Christians were confused. That's when Irenaeus, Bishop of Lyons, stepped in. Instead of reacting with anger, he carefully studied the teachings of the Gnostics. Then he compared them with the Apostolic faith. And then he realized something. He realized that the Christian faith is not secret knowledge, it is a public truth about Christ. And he realized that the Gnostics were in fact dividing the church from within. So, what did he do? He wrote a major work called Against Heresies, and this work helped protect the church from confusion. His goal was not to attack people, but to bring them back to the truth. In the year 2022, he was declared Doctor of the Church by Pope Francis because he helped the church remember something essential. The truth is not hidden for a few, it is revealed for all in Christ. So don't forget to subscribe and follow for more such interesting and inspiring saint stories.